In the vast world of YouTube, finding the right niche can be like striking gold. Imagine channels raking in thousands of dollars with just a handful of videos. Sounds exciting, right? Well, today we're diving deep into the top YouTube niches that are set to dominate in 2024. These niches aren't just trendy. They're bursting with potential for anyone looking to make it big on YouTube. So whether you're a budding content creator or just curious about the next big thing, stick around. We're about to uncover some game-changing opportunities that could turn your YouTube channel from zero to hero in no time. Trending niches on YouTube hold immense power. They're like the pulse of what people are interested in right now, capturing massive viewer attention and engagement. When you tap into a trending niche, you're not just creating content. You're becoming part of a larger conversation that millions are eager to join. It's all about aligning your content with current interests, passions, and even societal shifts. This alignment can lead to explosive growth, more views, and ultimately, a substantial income. But why are these niches so potent? Well, they resonate with viewers on a personal level, addressing their needs, desires, or even their curiosity. Understand and harness the power of trending niches, and you'll position yourself at the forefront of what people want to see, hear, and engage with, setting the stage for a successful YouTube journey. The ancestral health niche is one of the most compelling areas to explore on YouTube today. This niche goes deep into the ways our ancestors lived, ate, and thrived, emphasizing a return to natural and holistic health practices. Viewers are increasingly drawn to this topic because it offers insights into our evolutionary biology and how it intersects with modern life. Content creators in this niche often discuss topics like paleo diets, primal fitness, and the benefits of reconnecting with nature. What makes the ancestral health niche so captivating is its timeless appeal. While technology and modern conveniences have drastically changed our lifestyles, the fundamental human need for health and well-being remains unchanged. This niche bridges the gap between ancient wisdom and contemporary living, offering viewers practical tips to improve their health using tried-and-true methods. The monetization potential within the ancestral health niche is significant, from affiliate marketing with natural health products to creating and selling digital courses on ancestral practices. The opportunities are vast. By getting into this niche, you're not only tapping into a passionate audience, but also positioning yourself as a valuable resource in the ever-evolving landscape of health and wellness content on YouTube. The tech niche stands as a titan in the world of YouTube content, offering endless possibilities for creators and viewers alike. This expansive category covers a broad spectrum, from reviews of the latest gadgets to in-depth tutorials on software and emerging technologies. The allure of the tech niche lies in its dynamism. It's always evolving, ensuring that there's never a shortage of fresh and exciting content to explore. One of the standout aspects of the tech niche is its universal appeal. Technology impacts nearly every aspect of our daily lives, making it a topic that resonates with a wide audience. Whether it's a teenager interested in the newest gaming console or a professional seeking productivity hacks, there's something for everyone in this niche. Monetizing a tech-focused YouTube channel is also relatively straightforward. Affiliate partnerships with tech companies, sponsorships, and advertising revenue are just a few of the avenues available to creators. The tech niche encourages innovation and creativity, allowing creators to carve out their unique space by offering valuable insights, reviews, and perspectives on the ever-changing world of technology. The personal finance niche has steadily grown in popularity on YouTube, drawing in audiences eager to learn about managing money, investing wisely, and achieving financial freedom. This niche offers practical advice and actionable tips that can have a profound impact on viewers' lives, making it both engaging and valuable. With the increasing importance of financial literacy in today's complex economic landscape, the demand for reliable and accessible information in this area continues to soar. One of the compelling aspects of the personal finance niche is its potential for long-term growth and sustainability. As viewers recognize the tangible benefits of implementing the strategies and insights shared by creators, they often become loyal followers, eagerly anticipating new content and updates. The personal finance niche boasts impressive monetization opportunities. High-quality content can attract lucrative partnerships with financial institutions, investment platforms, and other relevant brands. The often affluent audience in this niche makes it attractive for advertisers, leading to higher CPMs compared to some other categories. For aspiring YouTube creators with a knack for finance, diving into the personal finance niche can be a rewarding and profitable venture. The fitness niche remains a perennial favorite on YouTube, capturing the attention of millions with its blend of inspiration, education, and transformation stories. This niche covers a vast array of topics, from workout routines and nutritional advice to weight loss journeys and body transformation challenges. What sets the fitness niche apart is its universal appeal. People from all walks of life are interested in improving their health and fitness levels, making the potential audience incredibly broad and diverse. Creators in the fitness niche often leverage their personal stories and experiences to connect with viewers on a deeper level. Authenticity and relatability are key, as audiences appreciate seeing real people achieve real results. This human element, combined with the tangible benefits of better health and increased vitality, keeps viewers coming back for more. From a monetization standpoint, the fitness niche offers numerous opportunities for creators. Fitness influencers can partner with health and wellness brands, promote fitness products, and even develop their own line of merchandise or fitness programs. With its wide appeal and potential for growth, the fitness niche remains a powerhouse on YouTube, attracting both creators and viewers alike. The Stoicism niche has seen a significant rise in popularity, reflecting a growing interest in ancient wisdom and philosophical teachings. Stoicism, with its emphasis on personal virtue, rationality, and resilience, offers valuable insights for navigating the complexities of modern life. Creators in this niche discuss the teachings of Stoic philosophers like Marcus Aurelius Seneca and Epictetus, translating their wisdom into practical advice for contemporary audiences. What makes the Stoicism niche unique is its focus on personal development and mental well-being. Instead of offering quick fixes or superficial solutions, Stoic philosophy encourages deep introspection and self-improvement. Viewers are drawn to the thoughtful and thought-provoking content that challenges them to rethink their perspectives and adopt a more Stoic mindset. From a monetization perspective, the Stoicism niche may not be as lucrative as some other niches, but it offers creators the opportunity to establish themselves as thought leaders and influencers in the personal development space. As more people seek meaningful connections and guidance in their lives, the Stoicism niche is poised to continue its upward trajectory on YouTube. Understanding the power of trending niches is just the beginning of your YouTube journey. One of the most effective strategies to quickly launch and monetize a channel is through faceless videos. These videos, which don't require showing your face on camera, offer several advantages. They reduce production time, eliminate the need for expensive equipment, and allow for a wider range of content creation without personal branding limitations. They streamline the content creation process, making it easier to produce high-quality videos consistently. Plus, they cater to a broader audience, as viewers often focus more on the content than the creator's identity. If you're looking to master the art of YouTube and leverage these strategies to their fullest potential, consider Matt Parr's Tube Mastery and Monetization course. This comprehensive course provides expert insights, from niche selection to monetization techniques, offering a roadmap to YouTube success. You can find a link to this course in the description below. As we move forward, learning the ins and outs of crafting compelling YouTube videos will be essential. To go deeper into this topic and supercharge your content creation game, don't miss our next video. We'll explore the secrets behind creating captivating faceless YouTube content. Stay tuned!